How to connect WordPress to Claude AI. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Claude AI and make sure that you are connected to your Claude AI account. Now, tap on the Customize option from the left side toolbar, and in this particular interface, tap on the Connect Your Apps option you see there. Now, tap on the search bar you see there and search for WordPress, and then tap on the plus icon you see there right beside WordPress. You will then be required to sign yourself in to your WordPress account, so go ahead and sign yourself in by entering your login credentials, that is, your email or username and your password. Now, once you have entered your login credentials, you will be required to give access to Claude. So simply tap on the Approve option you see there. And with this, the authorization process will take place. And once authorized, as you can see, you have been successfully connected to WordPress. So this was about how you can connect your WordPress account to Claude. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.